My daughter wanted to audition for this Disney thing happening here in Dubai. I brought her here and then she was given 2 lines to read, just 2 lines.
Alright.
So when her turn came, before that were small kids and she was the first teenager.
And how old is your daughter?
She's 14.
Okay.
So when her turn came, she had memorized her, there were only 2 lines. So this person, just when she said her lines, he grabbed her, her from the shoulders. Physically grabbed her, then pulled her. And it happened so quickly. Then he said his line. I mean, she's there for the audition.
Okay.
He was acting before also. He was saying his lines, but he didn't touch anyone. In front of me, in front of maybe 30 to 40 other parents. Then he grabbed her very, very roughly. I was a little behind. I mean, I couldn't watch very clearly. Then why is he doing this? I know that
you are a TV star.
I could see that he. I just couldn't believe it. Why would he grab her? And then he pushed her. Just like that, and she fell on one of the parents. And then she came back.
Was it part of an act, or was it like?
Of course not. Even the lines are like totally different. It's like 2 kids talking. Nowhere even the lines suggest that they would be.
For a mother to see all this happening.
Yeah, I'm in the Middle East. I couldn't expect here. Somebody would just. These people will come and touch your child. She's my daughter. I would not allow any man to touch her. And this happened. I was so shocked. And then the next boy, whoever was giving the auditions, this man started slapping him. Once, twice, thrice. And then that boy slapped this man back. What the hell? The slapping went on and on till that boy grabbed his hand. Even that boy was shattered. I could see tears in his eyes.
And
even that upset me a lot because I'm a mother. If it happens to a boy or a girl, abuse is an abuse. Nobody, no agent, no whoever has the right to touch a child.
Did they leave you with bruises and everything?
Yes, and then I wanted to talk to the organizer. They said to me very rudely, leave. I'm like, I want to talk to you. No, leave right now. Just like as if they're just telling you to get out. And then my daughter went to the bathroom and I followed her. She was very upset, but she didn't come out from the bathroom for some time. I got worried, and then when she came out, she was crying and she's like, Mama, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I said, what happened? Show me. And then there were bruises on her arm. He grabbed her so hard, even for a few seconds or whatever. It's harassment. How dare he? They're here for auditions, not to harass children. They say, oh, we work on your confidence. No, they shatter your child's confidence.